The underground pods, they're called Nant Y Esgair and Nant Y Garnedd. Being in a Welsh-speaking community, we thought it was important for us to choose Welsh names for the pods.
So we welcomed our first guests at the beginning of May 2022. The first day the people came, we were literally running around like headless chickens, making sure everything was where they were supposed to be, and then, yeah, we didn't need to stress, I don't think.
Everything took a bit longer than we expected, really. COVID played a part in that, really. We ordered them back in autumn 2020. So from the date we ordered them to the actual finish, it took about 18 months in total.
We really do work well together. It's brought us all closer. Dylan and Gwion, they're brothers. There's a 10-year gap between them. So obviously we're in different stages in our lives. And I think getting 4 individuals into a company, it brings something extra. Everyone's got something that they can bring into the company, and if one of us forgets something, there's always someone else to remind us and to help each other out.